Dear students, hope you and your families are staying safe and taking all the necessary precaution to keep away the pandemic from knocking on your doors. This year has seen an unprecedented crisis. The entire world has been put to an economic, social and emotional trial.
Dear students, it must be incredibly difficult for all of you to be forcefully snatched away from the liveliest years of your youth and the most memorable phase of your lives because of this dreadful pandemic. We can only imagine what this quarantine must have put you through. We know it's hard to live without the company of your friends and making a lifetime worth of heartwarming memories, but this is an unfortunate time when we need to be patient and cautious. Today, on the occasion of World Mental Health Day, we at Thapar Institute of Engineering and Technology, along with Thapar Institute Counseling Cell, want our entire community to know that we are there to help you and it is okay to seek help.
Many farmers, actors, students, or simply many lives could have been saved by us, even though we might not have been the cause to their misery. Pain is inevitable, but misery isn't. And all misery ends up with mental illness.
And some of you may know that depression, anxiety, PTSD, etc. are legitimate illnesses, but not everyone does. Stigma against mental health condition is real, and people suffering experience it all the time.
A call to foster mental health across the globe comes at a time when a full-blown campaign is necessary against violence, to reverse the climate change, rape, fight the everlasting poverty and forced migration. Not to forget the biological warfare which has resulted as a consequence of human malpractices and claiming countless lives. The ones witnessing and struggling to survive during this challenging phase will have to adjust and bring various changes to their lifestyle, of which investing in mental health will be the most crucial investment one can make.
It is okay to talk about mental illness. No, you don't have to be a therapist for that. You don't need to talk about it all day, every day. Let's just make it easy for people to talk by not giving them those shocking expressions or without making unwanted statements and assumptions. We at Thapar Institute Counseling Cell take the initiative to destigmatize and understand why people hide their mental illness. Understanding mental illness can actually make you a better person, because for that, all you need is just to be kind, non-judgmental and empathetic, which I think are the basic human emotional needs.
There is nothing noble in suffering, and there is nothing shameful or weak in asking for help. After all, mental illness is about recovery, mental health is about consciousness, and mental fitness is about well-being. For this reason, a new approach to happiness must inculcate the practice of being mindful of not only your feelings and surroundings, but also of the 7.7 billion other humans that inhabit this planet.
I've been told that depression is just a cry for attention, that people with anxiety just need to calm down and exercise. Fearing such judgments and assumptions, people with mental health conditions are terrified to talk about these issues. All they need from you is to listen, understand, and offer your support in whatever way feels comfortable.
Many AIDS and cancer patients fought a war to make the world realize their strength, which was constantly challenged by lack of information and ignorance. Imagine if we treated cancer the way we treat mental health. A similar fight is being forced on people with mental illness. And it is time that rather than embarrassing them, giving them false hope and hiding their pain, we tell them and their loved ones that they are not alone, and getting appropriate support and treatment isn't a sign of weakness but a sign of strength. I believe world's greatest breakthroughs movements have taken place because someone dared to approach. So permit yourself to acknowledge whatever you're feeling and approach for help. And then we at Thapar Institute Counseling Cell will ensure that you have your biggest breakthrough and bring your potential to your favor, which has been hiding behind fear to approach.
Being silent can worsen your mental health. You can come out with a better sense of self-purpose and meaning for your life by taking the first step of talking to a mental health professional.
Let us all be braver, stronger, and kind to each other and sustain empathy. Ask your friends how they are doing and listen to the answer. In moments you feel lost, distressed, or demotivated, ask yourself, what can I control? Focus on what you can do, change your thoughts, and change the world and challenge to be the greatest generation. This time, let's not only welcome but celebrate World Mental Health Day today, that is 10th October 2020. I am with you. We at Thapar Institute Counseling Cell are with you. The challenge is great, but when we put our heads together, we can achieve great things.
When we talk about our feelings, they become less overwhelming and less upsetting. So there is hope even when your brain tells you there isn't. At the first inkling you have a need, I urge you to step forward and speak to a mental health professional for a better sense of self and for finding a meaning to your life. We all hope that the cure will soon see the light of the day. In the meantime, I would like to assure you that the institution is awaiting your return and that you will find it as safe, secure, and warm as your own home.
So stay healthy, stay safe, and please enjoy your life, though it is a pandemic. All the best.